Hollywood, we need to talk. Hi there, I'm John. So, yeah, I didn't think I would do a video like this because, I don't know, I crave bad movies or something, especially sequels. This is going too far. So, the announcement of Ice Age 6 had just recently been released. Ice Age 6, yeah. There are like six of them. It's really just the problem with the sequel craze of the 2020s. Really, we have like when you have a sequel, like two is fine, but like when you make a third movie, I mean, I guess you could if you're like very courageous enough, but like when you do sorry, I'm just trying to put this away. Yeah, I'm not very well organized, but like when you do like a third movie, like you're really just trying to be very courageous, and then you do like a fourth movie. I think you're going too far. But now like people are doing five, but then Ice Age is doing six. Ice Age has already had five before Shrek 5, before like Toy Story 5, even before like Kung Fu Panda 4. Like yeah, like really, it's just like obviously like the case of like nostalgia ruining like modern day film and TV with like reboots everywhere because now they're rebooting like Wonder Pets. It's like very weird. Yeah, but like Ice Age 6 really is just something like after what we've seen with like the Scrat Tales short and the Buck Wild movie, which was pretty bad because it was made by like people who I don't even think were associated with either Disney nor like 20th Century or Blue Sky. Like they like just didn't really know what they were doing. And like yeah, and like I just think it's like just too crazy, especially if you probably like are gonna give it a theatrical release. I feel like sequels like the old days of sequels with like direct to video and whatnot, like that was fine because like you weren't really like playing like a game with the devil and like seeing like if the movie will do bad at the box office. Like yeah, but like now with like sequels everywhere, like you can't just rely on that. Like especially with like streaming, there's like a lot of stuff that's being released exclusively to streaming. I feel like that's what you should do with a lot of these sequels. But like they're announcing Frozen 4 before Frozen 3 even comes out. Like yeah, and like now like Cars 4 is apparently being a thing. Like don't go past three. If you want to go up to three, that's fine. But like don't go past it. But like it's just getting crazy, really. Like yeah, and like if they want to do like an Ice Age 6 or like a Shrek 5, like or Despicable Me 4, they gotta know what they're doing. Like they gotta know like how to make a movie. They gotta know how to keep like the legacy alive. Really, like yeah, don't do sequels all the time though. Like maybe like do like TV shows or like TV specials or like short films, spin-off movies. That's what they originally did with Shrek. After like Shrek 4, they did like the Puss in Boots movies, and they did like a lot of short films and stuff. Like I feel like that's what you could do. Like even like Kung Fu Panda 4, like they talk about it, they want to go up to 6, but like I feel like more or less they should do like maybe like a TV series. Kung Fu Panda 4, like even that feels like kind of like a pilot for a TV series. But like yeah, like I don't think like Hollywood can really rely on like sequels or like remakes or like reboots anymore. Really, I think they're just getting out of control. It is not just that. Like, is it because like these people don't know how to make a movie or like a TV show? Really, they don't know how to like be respectful to the legacy. Like, yeah, really like there are a ton of like different sequels and like remakes and reboots I would want, but like I'd have to like keep it like as respectful to the legacy, but like not be like just the same rehashing like all over again. Like yeah, like Ice Age 6, like I wasn't really fond of the Ice Age movies when I was younger, but like they were kind of interesting. But like especially when they had so many of them that they stopped numbering them. But like yeah, like they drew the number 6. I think I did that backwards for you. But like yeah, like especially the announcement, like they had some of the original voice actors appear, unlike in the Buck Wild movie. Like it's especially Ice Age 6 that really worries me and really upsets me because like the Ice Age like doesn't need to come back, especially like with the shutdown of Blue Sky Studios. And like yeah, and all of these like fourth and fifth and sixth movies are being made by Disney and Universal, mostly under DreamWorks. Like I don't really know what this kind of feud is. I don't know who started this like a sequel craze really, but like yeah, like and now we have Madagascar 4. Like that's another one I forgot to mention. Like yeah, like I'm just saying like at least try to come up with more original ideas. If you do a sequel, you gotta do something that is very good and very original. Like yeah, don't be like Kung Fu Panda 4. That one was just did not work out well. Well, yeah, I think that's all I have to say, and I'll see you later.